So welcome to NASHERO. We're a company which makes light airplanes of our own design, and we use Shomarat materials for Shomarat's C-ply materials for most of our work. And we've been working together with a group of Professor Stephen Tsai, who is very well known in one of his books is over here, and he's Professor Emeritus from University of Stanford, and we've been working together and on the new inventions that he has done, and that is new discoveries, that is double material, which Shomarat has been making under. It's a patented material from Stanford University, and Shomarat is making it and selling it. So we have been experimenting with that, and there is a video that we prepared for that, and we'll invite you to look at that. We also do 5-axis machining, and we make parts like this, which are parts of an airplane, and parts like this. As you can see, this is a very complicated component with all the apertures and valves and things like that inside. These are standard AN fittings. We make very different kinds of fittings. These are 37.5 degrees, and this is a AN fitting all the way to this point, and then down below it is not. It's our own design. These are some other components that we make, and some simple things which are positional 5-axis, and some things which are completely 5-axis, which are these. So we have DMG Mori's machines with scales on each of these axes, and we do that. We also make carbon composite components. This is a tube, and this is a very special tube. It is made inside a mold, inside a negative mold, and this tube has knitted material around it, so it has absolutely no seam. And these seamless tubes are extremely high-end, useful. And we also work with glass. So this is a glass composite component of our aircraft, and we have supplied an American manufacturer, American defense manufacturer, plates made up of C-ply plus minus 45090. This is a quasi-isotropic plate, which has the special property of having zero thermal deformation, and this was engineered in order to do that. And this has been used. This has been supplied by us to manufacture. It has no paint on it. All that shine and the quality of the surface comes from our molds. And this is another component that I would like to show you. This is a part of our aircraft, and on the surface you see the spread toe material that you will see in the video in which I explain about DD's qualities. But inside this is the top surface is this material, but inside this is C-ply, 0 degree C-ply from Shomarat, and this door is the quality of this door is basically phenomenal, and shows the quality of our work. This is based on a mold that was done by us. You see absolutely no problems. It shows a perfect reflection from the surface, and this reflection shows the fidelity of this reflection, shows the quality of the surface that you have here, and it has absolutely no errors whatsoever. You can look at it closely by using optical tools, and this is a very small segment of the work that we do, and we'll be delighted to partake in any kind of production work for you if you are interested in um, uh, zero void content material, and if that is so, please contact us. We do work for we work on extremely high quality conscious materials, components, and we don't do production of low quality materials. So our the materials we use, the epoxies we use, the process control that we use is not, let's put it this way, inexpensive, but the quality you get out of it would be a quality that you can compare with anything in the world, one of the best in the world, and we are proud of that. So thank you for watching this short segment, and I look forward to hearing from you.